Hey guys, this is Samsung Soundbar C450 with wireless subwoofer. This is 2.1 channel soundbar with DTS-X, Visual X. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via Bluetooth and optical cable, and also USB connection. This is the remote control for this soundbar. I want to talk to you about information about the things you need to know. This soundbar, switch it off and on from the button here with red. Then the next button is input. You select the input for you to change to BT or optical cable. When you select BT, then you select BT pair. It will be in BT. The center one button here is for you to pause and play. So this is pause, and you select it again and it will start to play. You also have up and down button here for you to select any function you want, but you need to also select the function here. For instance, if you want to mute the audio, you select mute. This is mute. And if you want to start it again, you press mute to cancel it. This button here, okay, is for you to increase the volume. If you push it up, you increase the volume. If you push it downwards, you decrease the volume. So push it upwards, you increase the volume. If you push it down, then you decrease the volume. This button, the center one, surround mode, is for you to select. If you select on it, adaptive DTS visual, it goes to bass post. After that, it goes to the standard surround. So you need to select sound mode for you to go to specific. So depending on program you're watching. Now this button with I is information. So when you select this information, it will display the gadget you connected to the soundbar as well as the method. So it's showing us now BT, and also it will show my name and showing is connected. This soundbar is connected with phone. Now this button here on the right side here is for you to increase the volume. So the subwoofer, it will show you SW subwoofer, and the maximum is +6. You can also decrease it. If you push it downwards, then you decrease it. If you want to hear more from the subwoofer, is +6. You push it upwards. So this is channel level. If you select channel level, it will take you to visual center, and when you select it, then you go up and down arrow to select accordingly. This center one is the sound control button. If you select it, it will show you voice enhancement, night mode, voice enhancement and night mode. Okay, so you can adjust it accordingly. And this is tone control button. It's showing us now treble, so you can increase the volume to treble. So when you select tone control, you use up and down to increase it. You can see treble +5, +6 is maximum. Likewise, if you select bass, you adjust it by, this is the bass, is the maximum is +6. So once you select tone control, then you adjust it up and down accordingly. So basically, this is how this remote control works. Okay, I hope this information makes sense to you and it help you. So this adaptive.
Just one glass in
bass boost. Beautiful. Thank you.